Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching to see how I created this beautiful makeup. I started by cleaning the face with micellar water. After carving her, then I applied my serum, my hydrating moisturizer, my Stay Matte primer and my glassy primer. Then I went ahead to use my Milani foundation in the shade 01. So this is the color that matches with her skin tone. You must try as much as possible to use the person's skin color. Then after that you blend. Now I went in to powder the whole face with her foundation color, then blush the cheek diagonally from her cheek to her hairline. After blushing, the next step to do is to highlight. You contour. You highlight the T-zones, then contour the corners of the forehead. You contour the corners of the face, that's the temple of the face. Again, you do is to contour the corners of the nose, then you contour the jawline. This will give the face a slimmer look, a kind of V-shaped look. It is very important. Blush is also important to avoid giving the face a flat look. Then I'm setting the under eyes. This will prevent the lines that are intended to appear there when the person blinks her eyes. I go into outline her eyebrows. I prefer using my gel liner because it gives me this outline look better than using the regular eye pencil. But you can still try it as well. It works better for me. I also use it to fill in the eyebrows and then use it in mapping out the hair-like strokes. In doing this hair-like strokes, make sure you make it as slim as possible. That will make it look like hair. In concealing, I use one shade lighter concealer to conceal. This will make the eyebrows pop out more and also give the two eyebrows uniform shapes. I'm also trying to adjust and make sure it comes out perfect. You keep on setting the under eye to avoid grazing. Then I will contour the corners of my nose to give it a pointed look. After that, I'll now go ahead with my eyeshadow application. Powdering your eyelid first helps prevent creasing. This is the crucial step in eyeshadow application. Then I applied my matte eyeshadow on my upper crease. As you can see, I'm doing a smoky eyeshadow. I first of all start with the lightest color, so when I get to the lower eyelid, it will be darkest there. I keep on blending until I get the intensity I want. Now, I'm using a purple eyeshadow. Smoky eyeshadow doesn't have to do with only black eyeshadow. You can also do purple smoky eyeshadow, any color, but make sure that the lower lid is always the darkest. After applying it, I will now have to blend so that there will be no harsh line where my purple eyeshadow started, where my orange started, and where my yellow started. The three colors must mix together. Now I'm applying my golden color eyeshadow. This is in shimmer shade on the tear dot to make the eye pop. Again, I now went on to apply my purple eyeshadow on the lower lash line to complement the look. Now I'm dusting out the excess powder on her face to finish up. You use the person's color so that there will be no harsh line. This will give the face an almost uniform color. Then you will seal up with your finishing spray. You now apply your bronzer on the T-zones. This will give the face a highlighted look and a glowing look. I'm now brushing up the eyebrows with the eyebrow mascara. This will make the hairs to all stand and also keep them in place. I'm not going to do my eyeliner. You can do any color of eyeliner, but I prefer black because it makes the eye stand out more than using other colors. There are so many colors which you can try out. I like doing my eyeliner after spraying because when you do it before spraying, it might make the eyeliner not to dry on time and thereby messing up the whole face. So you can prevent that messing up the whole face with eyeliner by doing it after spraying. With that, it dries faster without messing up the face. Then I'll prep the lip and then apply my lipstick. I first of all lined with my purple lip liner, then use the pink at the part of the lip. This will give it an ombre look. You blend. It's quite very easy to achieve. So guys, this is the outcome of the makeup. I hope you like what you are seeing. Please stay tuned, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in my next video. Bye.